Discover how to easily use Clearpay with Amazon through this comprehensive guide. Understanding Clearpay is similar to Afterpay and serves the same purpose. Depending on the region, it may be known as Clearpay or Afterpay interchangeably. Accessing Clearpay on Amazon. Open your browser and search for Amazon gift card Afterpay or Amazon gift card Clearpay. Visit Afterpay website. Navigate to the Afterpay website, where you can purchase Amazon gift cards. Amazon does not have a direct integration with Afterpay or Clearpay, so buying gift cards is the workaround. Purchase Amazon gift card. Select the desired amount for the Amazon gift card. Afterpay has limitations on the value, usually up to $500. You can purchase multiple gift cards if needed. Using the gift card on Amazon. Once you've purchased the Amazon gift card through Afterpay, you can use it to make purchases on Amazon. Apply the gift card balance during checkout like any other payment method. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Clearpay or Afterpay for purchases on Amazon.